Have you been looking for the way how you could download Mikhmon to print vouchers for your hotspot business and you've been failing? You come to Google and type Mikhmon, download. Then you click on the first link. After clicking on it, you can even translate to the language which you can understand very well for you. Then you click on the Mikhmon version 3. Since we are going to use version 3, though there is an updated version of Mikhmon, but for now let's use that. Then you click on download button and click Mikhmon plus the server web. As you can see here on top, it's already downloading. Then we check in the download box. Just click on it. See, it's already downloaded now. Then you open it. After opening it, close this. Then you open it. You click here. Then you have to wait for it to show this green button. When it shows up, then you click on Open Mikhmon. Then it will bring that page. After bringing this page, here you put Mikhmon in small letters. Then you put the password 1234. Then you open it. Then you have to download even Winbox. If you don't know how to download Winbox or Mikhmon or the details, you can check out on the YouTube. Then you get the way how you could do it. These are the details which you have put in and already open. Then you open the Winbox to open and see the IP address and the details of this MikroTik which you're going to print vouchers for. For a complete video, remember it's on YouTube if you don't know how to do that. So here we are going to close Winbox and open it again so that we could see the IP address. See, it's now open again. This is the IP address. We copied from there. The username, this is the identification of the MikroTik and all the stuff. You have to know the login and the password of your MikroTik device. So then, after doing that, then we are going to enter the details of this system. So you click on this router. After clicking on router, you will see this interface. So here on the session name, we put Loncom, since it's Loncom as a default. We put the IP address which we have copied from the Winbox. Then we put admin as the login. You put the password of your MikroTik device. After that, on this side, you also put the name of your Wi-Fi. You put the DNS before you forgetting it. That's the DNS which I use. On the currency, you have to select your country currency. Then here you enable the live reports. After that, then you come here and click on save the details. Then here you ping to see if your MikroTik is getting internet very well and working smoothly. So you see it's now okay. Then you click connect. If you want more details on how to do all that stuff, check out on the YouTube to see all the details. So here it's when where the magic is always done. You click on generate to generate the vouchers of your MikroTik. Here we are going to put we are going to put the number of vouchers we would like to print, maybe like 10 pieces. Here on the server you select hotspot. Here you select username equal to password. You can leave others. Or here you put the number of password digits you want to put. Here it's a default. You will check on the default and select the profile of those vouchers we are going to print here. You put on time limit like 1 day, then you give a comment like daily paper vouchers. Then you click generate. When those vouchers are generated, then you click on small to print them out. Then if you want a complete video on how to do all that, like which I've showed you to download the Winbox, the Mikhmon, everything to get connected to that, what you do, you have to check out on the YouTube. The link is in the description and do the needful. These are the vouchers which I've tried to generate for this video. Thank you guys for watching till this far.